Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Yes, the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we want as many people as possible to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language. So it would be nice if you could help us out by clicking the like button, leaving a comment, starting a conversation in the comment section. Share this video with as many people as you can. And of course, if you don't subscribe yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, so that you won't miss any of what is happening right here, 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
So today I'm going to read from Mark chapter 9 from verse 33 to verse 37. After Jesus and him follower them reach a Capernaum and go in at the house, him ask them say, when did I talk about when uno did that walk? But they not say nothing, cause them did argue about which one of them I go get the top position in a group. After Jesus sit down, him call him 12 follower them and say, if none of you want the top position, una have to circle for the last place and serve everybody. Then him take one little picnic and make him turn up amongst them. Him hug up the picnic and say to them, say, anybody will take in one of them little picnic, cause him believe in me, take me in too. And anybody will take me in, and not just me, them a take in. Them a take in the one we send me to. God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.